Okay, here you can see the wagtail handle's got the Quick-Loq on. You can see I've cut a portion of it, just enough so it has the same length as the original handle. As you can see, this is the bit we cut off, and this connection up top here, you can see that's as far as we put it in. And now we'll show you how it's actually done. So I've cut the handle. I'll just show you, this is the other piece, like that, and you get the Quick-Loq, and you can see it's got to go in there to the depth to the end. So now I'll just grab the heat gun. This is all in real time. This is how long it took me to do. And it's all a heat gun. So long as you soften the plastic so you can insert the Quick-Loq connection. I think that's enough. Anyway, I'll insert it in by hand. It's a bit tight. I just put it in the vise, and of course I didn't tighten it tight enough. But you see it going, you twist it on, push it on. It's quite tight at the moment. Just a little bit further on, just to make sure it's right where I'd like to have it. So I'll just line everything up a little bit. Yeah, like that. I think that's right. So that's how it's done. And you can also do the same thing with other squeegee handles, scrubber handles, but I'll show that in another video. And I hope this helped any people with the wagtail problem. Anyway, that's about it.